Welcome to Food and Mocktail with Amrita. My name is Shovik. Hope you guys are doing well. We have entered the fourth phase of lockdown. So stay home, stay safe and follow the guidelines of India government and the doctors and the panel doctors to eradicate coronavirus. Every day we are preparing something which is quite common in India, in and around India, and we are having it with our rice. So we are getting tired and bored with this traditional dishes. So today I thought that let me go ahead and show you something which will be healthy and which will be easy to cook. So today I'm going to prepare sizzling grilled chicken breast, which I have named personally, and I love it. So let's go ahead and check the ingredients. To prepare this sizzling grilled chicken breast, I have taken four pieces of chicken breast, around 500 grams of chicken, and I have flattened it with a rolling pin, since I don't have a hammer at home to flatten it. Apart from that, I have taken few garlic cloves. Not all garlic cloves will be taken, only 5 or 6 pieces will be taken out of this. Apart from that, I have taken mint leaves to add a flavor in it. I have taken 1 teaspoon of whole mustard seed, 4 green chilies, 1 lemon, and half a bowl of coriander leaves, 1 teaspoon of honey, 2 teaspoon of black pepper powder to make it tasty and to give it a nice smell, and to add an extra flavor I have taken oregano and chili flakes, since I had at home. And I'm going to prepare this particular recipe with olive oil to make it more healthier, and I will use 1 tablespoon each soya sauce and red chili sauce. So let's go ahead and make the garnishing. So first of all guys, I'm going to sprinkle some amount of salt. Salt is as per taste, but to marinate the chicken breast I need salt. So you need to I'm not going to use salt afterwards, so you need to use adequate amount of salt to marinate the chicken breast. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Now I'm going to crush the lemon. I'm going to use 1 lemon for this chicken breast. So lemon will add a extra flavor on this chicken. So I have already added lemon. Further marination, I am going to add the garlic cloves. Then I will pour in the mint leaves. And the 4 green chilies that I have taken. And the coriander leaves. And finally I am going to add the whole mustard seeds. And I am going to grind this. So guys, now we are in the most crucial stage of marination of this chicken breast. I am taking 1 tablespoon of olive oil and I am mixing it with the chicken breast, because it will make the chicken softer, and once the oil enters the chicken breast, it will be fried well. It will be grilled well, in fact. And now the marination which we prepared in the mixture and the grinder, I am going to pour it in the chicken breast and massage the chicken breast properly. all the marinations are being evenly transferred in this bowl, now I'm going to massage the chicken breast well, so that all the ingredients enters the chicken breast properly. And once I have completed massaging this chicken breast, I am going to cover it and I am going to keep it aside for at least 1 hour. Keeping it for 2 hours will give you a better taste, but if you don't have time, you have to keep it marinated for at least 1 hour. I have covered the chicken breast marination with a plastic foil, and I'm going to keep it aside for at least 1 hour to get the masalas enter the chicken breast. See you soon. Guys, 1 hour is already over, so I'm removing this plastic and the marination is done now. Yeah, it's a nice meal which is coming up. So now I'm going to take a pan and I'm going to grease it with some amount of butter. Although we already have olive oil mixed with the chicken breast, so we don't actually need a huge amount of butter, but just for the grilling purpose I am going to grease this pan with some amount of butter. And now slowly I am going to place the chicken breast. Wow! See? A wonderful smell is coming up. This is really looking yummy. So I'm going to fry this chicken breast and in a low flame, because I'm going to do it in a frying pan. You can also try this recipe. Try to make this recipe in micro oven at 180 degrees centigrade. But everyone doesn't have a micro oven at home, so I'm trying to show it how to cook it in a gas oven. So at a low medium flame, I'm trying to fry this chicken breast, and this is how it's looking right now. See, the masalas have got marinated with the chicken breast evenly, and after 10 minutes I'm going to fry the other side of the chicken, and once I turn it on the other side, I'm going to grease it with a bit of honey. Since I have used a whole mustard seed to make this recipe, I am not using soya sauce or red chili sauce. If you are not preferring to use whole mustard seed, in that case you can make a sauce of 1 tablespoon of soya sauce and 1 tablespoon of red chili sauce, and you can mix it well and you can marinate the chicken with that sauce. It goes well with the chicken breast as well. And if you want to get a smoky flavor, you can cover the chicken with a lid. But since I'm trying to make it a sizzling grilled chicken, I am not covering it. Guys, I have turned the other side of the chicken breast, and now what I'm trying to do is the excess marination which I had in this bowl, in this pan, I'm going to evenly spread it in the chicken so that the marination gets aromated in the pan as well. As and when the chicken is getting cooked, this marination also gets cooked with it, and it will give it a wonderful flavor. You can't believe a heavenly smell has started coming out. And now, since I have turned it, as I said, once I turn it, I am going to grease it with honey. So I am going to grease the chicken with honey. This is how I am doing it. Grease it well. It will really give you a wonderful smell and taste. Honey is always good for health. So again I have to cook it for at least 10 minutes and we will come back. Guys, this is the final look of the sizzling grilled chicken breast. You must be hearing the sizzling sound. It's wonderful, it's heavenly. Believe me. Now I am going to transfer it in the serving bowl, and after my final transfer I am going to just grease it with one more brush of honey on each chicken breast, and believe me, the taste that is going to come out, it's wonderful. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe our channel, Food and Mocktail with Amrita. Your comment, your subscriptions are very important for us. We are striving hard for your comment and subscriptions. So please help us. Thank you. Finally guys, I have already presented the chicken breast and I am going to garnish it with oregano and some amount of chili flakes. Since I have a small baby at home, my daughter, she would be relishing this wonderful sizzling grilled chicken breast. So I don't prefer to put the chili flakes in it. Just for the smell and the aroma, I am putting some amount of chili flakes in it. If you have kids at home, you may opt out of this chili flakes thing. So it's almost done, and the divine thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to pour in the leftover honey in this chicken breast to give it an extra taste. And look, it's wonderful. And if you want to check how it is, I will cut it into pieces and show you. So this is exactly how it's looking like. So guys, finally the chicken is ready, and let me have it on behalf of you. Wow, just loving it. Those of you guys who are about to start your gym after the lockdown period, you can always have this recipe at home. You already saw that I have used olive oil, so it's already a healthy chicken that I have made. You can also make it with white oil and a complete butter recipe, but it won't be much healthy. Please try this recipe at home. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe the video. We will be waiting for your comments. Comments are exactly at the bottom. And we have opened up, just to let you know, we have opened up a blog as well in WordPress. I'm going to give you my link there. The whole recipe of this chicken breast will be mentioned there, so you can refer to that recipe as well. So see you soon. Goodbye. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.